take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Give a brief introduction of yourself.
Sir, I am Kumar Mohanty, and I have completed.
Mohanty?
Kumar Mohanty, sir.
Go on.
Sir, I have completed my schooling from Kendra Vidyalaya Sambalpur. I have completed my graduation from OUT Bhubaneswar, sir. Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology.
So basically you are agriculture, okay?
Yes, sir.
So your observation is agriculture?
Yes, sir.
What is the percentage of land in Odisha
Yes,
which is irrigated? Specifically Odisha.
sir, I cannot give an exact answer, but if you will allow me, I will.
You can guess.
Sir, 35 to 40%.
Yes, 40%.
Yes.
In Punjab?
In Punjab, it is, sir, above 70%.
No. So suppose we give say 7 to 80%, say theoretically suppose.
Nowadays.
We have a potential of say 70% of our cultivable land. So what future you can see?
Sorry, sir.
Presently, say roughly 35% are irrigated. Yes. So let us say we can increase another 30% by say in a year. Theoretically, hypothetically, we can increase. So now you have cultivable land of 7% irrigation with the provision of 7% irrigation. What future you can see in the domain of agriculture? What exactly you do as an agriculturist or a student having agriculture? Yes, what is your vision actually?
Sorry, sir, I could not grasp the question, sir.
Now, say roughly we have 35% of our cultivable land under agriculture.
Yes, sir.
That is irrigated, sir. Irrigated.
Yes, sir.
Say hypothetically we increase it to 70%.
Yes, sir.
The other day, I give you our cultivable land,
Yes, sir.
having potential of irrigation of 70% of land.
Yes, sir.
So, what future you see to our farmers? What exactly we advise them with so much of land to be irrigated,
Yes,
with
sir.
irrigation facility? What exactly you do as a student in agriculture?
Sir, the first thing I will advise them is to change the cropping pattern. Crop rotation should be incorporated, and a minimum of a pulse crop should be introduced in it, because pulse crops are known for reclamation of land. Apart from that, I will also suggest them to.
Will it be so easy actually? Why I am saying so?
Yes, sir.
Let us take the example of say Punjab and Haryana.
Yes, sir.
Where most of the lands are under irrigation.
Yes, sir.
Fortunately or unfortunately, those part of the those patch of land are either mostly wheat cultivation,
Yes, sir.
followed by some rice cultivation.
Yes,
So basically, those crops need much of water. Wheat needs not that much actually, but rice, as you say, is a guzzling crop actually. It's a lot of water.
Yes, sir.
So again, our farmers will be tempted to take up rice as such.
Yes,
So
sir.
do we find a change actually? Suppose we find a change.
Yes, sir. Sir, as part of the authority, I will also make sure that the consumption habit of the general citizens should change from wheat to other crops like millets, pulses, and horticultural crops. So in that way, the demand of the other crops will increase, and from that also we can also encourage the farmers that the demand in the market for rice is decreasing and other crops are increasing. So that's why you should diversify your crop systems.
So what is your soil health actually in terms of our own state? Actually? What is your soil health?
Sorry, sir.
Soil health, soil. What is your soil status actually? Is it fit for cultivation or already we have degraded through continuous rice cultivation?
Sir, it is reduced in terms of quality. The soil has been reduced in terms of quality. But right now we can also, hypothetically speaking, right now we can also change the cropping patterns, and we can incorporate many practices like organic farming and conservation cultivation, contour cultivation, contour bunding, etc. in order to reclaim the soil and prevent the soil from erosion, and also enrich the soil quality by implementing green manures like sunhemp and dhanija. And we can also improve these aspects by reduced.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
It is clearly visible that you have sufficient grip over your own subject.
Yes,
it
sir.
is better not to dwell much on the subject.
Yes, sir.
It is better to come to other aspects.
Yes, sir.
And you will definitely get some sort of questions from current national affairs and international affairs.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the problem of Pooja Khedkar at present.
Sir, Pooja Khedkar is a civil servant who gave fake documents, and she was in the civil services, and there has been a recent resurgence of proper analysis, and and also there is an increased need of analyzing and checking the proper verification of documents in order to provide entry in the civil services.
So you find some fault with UPSC itself. They need to be more robust actually. There still there is a lot of latches in the system of UPSC. Are you saying this?
Sir, I mean there is a fault at both ends, even in the end of UPSC for not properly verifying the documents, and from the end of the candidate
It's
also,
not
sir.
verifying because anyway she has attributed many chances actually. So it has not been detected to some extent actually. UPSC has not a robust system where they can detect that somebody is actually duplicating.
Yes.
Anyway, duplicating his name, duplicating his father's name, duplicating whatever documents she has relied upon. She tries to manipulate even the UPSC actually. So they have all those latches in the system. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Tell me, what is humanoid computer?
Sir.
Humanoid computer.
Sir, humanoid computer is a new form of a computer. We can also call it the fifth or sixth generation computer. Fifth or sixth generation computer. Fifth or sixth generation. Yes, it is a fifth or sixth generation computer in which the human organs are used to make the computers, and a significant amount of computer operations can be performed through human intellect, from the integration of human intellect and artificial intelligence and machine language.
Integration of artificial intelligence with human intelligence has become possible in humanoid computer.
Yes, sir.
This is in single sentence. This is the reply.
Yes, sir.
Achha. What is green hydrogen?
So green hydrogen is a hydrogen which is used to produce energy through. Sorry, sir, I cannot answer that. I mean, I know the topic, but I can't completely answer it in a complete way.
It will not emit carbon dioxide.
Yes, sir.
I am giving a clue.
Yes, sir. It is a hydrogen which it is a form of energy which.
It is a form of energy that is called green hydrogen.
Yes, sir. Which will reduce pollution to a certain extent, and it can be produced through fuel cell reactions, sir.
Presently, we are going for caste census actually.
Yes, sir.
And do you agree with the caste system that's to take place?
Sir, in some parts of India, there is still a prevalence of caste related problems, and in some part of India, the people belonging to lower caste have been uplifted significantly. So caste census can be used to. I mean, the caste census can be used to improve those part of the lower caste people who have been subjected to problems and atrocities, and apart from that, those part of the minorities who have been uplifted, they can be left out of the reservation system.
We need to divide the society more actually by caste census. Because anyway, we are a divided nation by caste, creed, religion, everything. So further conducting a census on caste, we need to divide further.
Sir, according to me, the caste census can also help in subcategorization of a reservation system, and apart from that, the people who have been uplifted can be left out of the reservation system, and the people who have been subjected to atrocities can be uplifted through this subcategorization system.
You will get.
Your approach
You will
is
click.
alright actually. So
You have a very good grip over your language, over your subject.
Yes, sir.
You are also, your expression style in English is also nice. It will be influential. And number 3, you have to continue reading of newspapers every day.
Yes, sir.
In order to get all sorts of information pertaining to national affairs, international affairs,
Yes, sir.
out of which he will get minimum 50 to 100 numbers from these general studies.
Yes, sir.
So it is better to continue the reading of Odia and English paper
Yes,
till
sir.
the end of the examination.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Best of luck.
Thank you, sir.
Bhuvan,
Yes, sir.